In this session, we will learn to apply trees to solve programming problem, implement a thread binary tree, threaded binary tree. So it is threaded concept. Threaded माने कौन गोटे sequence of execution. जो sequence से तमें ताकू declare करिवो सही sequence से execution करिवो. Every program execution रे तमरो thread तमरो required करे कारण thread जदि नथिबो ताले sequentially से execution करिवो नाही. बाय डिफॉल्ट हमर गोटे प्रोग्राम रे बाय डिफॉल्ट थ्रेड होची तार मेन मेथड भितर जो सीक्वेंस से तमे डिक्लेयर करूछ सेही सीक्वेंस से एग्जीक्यूशन करछि तो मेन मेथड ता मोर बाय डिफॉल्ट थ्रेड समिति बाइनरी थ्रेडेड ऊपर मोर एठी डिस्कशन कराइछि 3 रो data on a disk file is usually organized as record containing several fields, one of which is often used as a key field. The key field is used to uniquely identify each record in a file. Indexing is one of the data access method for accessing record from a disk file. Indexing is implemented through a table called index. Index consists of two entries, that is key field of all the records and offset position of each records, right? So index माने कौन? Index जो जेंति book रो starting रे तमरा content थाए से कंटेंट थ्रू रु हमें जानि परिबा जे बुक रे को सब्जेक्ट ता को चैप्टर रे अछि एंड को पेज रे अछि हम डायरेक्टली सेठी हम पहुंच परिबे इट सेम जिंस एंड इंडेक्स मोर एठी दि प्रकार अछि गोटे अछि की फील्ड ऑफ ऑल द रेकॉर्ड्स एंड ऑफसेट पोजीशन ऑफ ईच रेकॉर्ड्स टू टाइप्स ऑफ इंडेक्स रो एंट्री ता हमर हुई इट वाज मोर द फॉलोइंग इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ एन इंडेक्स इट वाज मोर की फील्ड एंड तार ऑफसेट पोजीशन जेसेटा मोर बिगनिंग रे की को पोजीशन रे तार हबो सेटा तार ऑफसेट पोजीशन to access the records with key field 59 search the index for this key value to retrieve its corresponding offset value which is 1200 read the record from the file starting from this offset position. You can implement a binary search tree to store this index value. This approach enables faster search for a key value. It has more faster search, right? Then the more 52, it has more key field store in a binary search tree. It has more index, right? One of the common operation on a binary tree is travels. In a linked representation of a binary tree, travels is usually implemented through recursion. As a result of a stack is maintained in the memory. If the tree is used, implementing recursion to traverse the tree would require a lot of memory space. In the absence of sufficient memory space, implementing recursion can lead to a memory leak. In such a case, it would be good if you have some mechanism by which you can traverse the tree without implementing recursion. You can solve this problem by implementing a threaded binary tree. In a binary search tree, there are many nodes that have an empty left child or empty right child or both. You can utilize this field in such a way so that the empty left child of a node point to its inner predecessor and empty right child of the node point to its inner successor. Consider the following binary search tree. It has more binary search tree. Right? Most of the nodes in this tree hold a null value in their left or right child field. In this case, it would be good if these null fields are utilized for some other useful purpose. The empty left child field of a node can be used to point to its inner predecessor. Similarly, the empty right child field of a node can be used to point to its inner successor. It has more, right? Point gala inner successor. Such a type of binary tree is known as the threaded binary tree. A field that holds the address of its inner successor or peer successor is known as thread. Node 30 does not have any inner predecessor because it is the first node to be traversed. in inner sequence, right? Node 30. Similarly, node 80 does not have an inner successor. Therefore, you take a dummy node called the header node. As a dummy node, right? The right child of the header node always point to itself. The threaded binary tree is represented as the left child of the header node. The left thread of node 30 and then right thread of the node 80 point to the header node. In a threaded binary tree, the right thread of a node point to its inner dash and left thread point to its inner dash.
Predecessor, माने left side the predecessor को.
Successor and predecessor.
Right. Yes, sir. Right successor.
The structure of the node in a threaded binary tree is a bit different from that of a normal binary tree. Unlike a normal binary tree, each node of a threaded binary tree contains two extra pieces of information, namely left thread and right thread. Right? It is left thread and right thread. Normally, amaro kono je right child information rahebo, right child address rahebo, left child address rahebo. How dita extra information rahela je ki right thread ko indicate karibo and left thread ko indicate. The left and right thread field of a node can have two values. One, indicate a normal link to the child node. 0, indicate a thread pointing to the inner predecessor or inner successor. Various operations in a threaded binary tree are as follows: traverse, search, insert, and delete. How do you identify a root node in a threaded binary tree? In a threaded binary tree, the root node is identified as the left child of the header node. If the tree is empty, the left child of the header node becomes a thread pointing to itself. How is the structure of a node of a threaded binary tree different from that of normal binary tree? Each node in a threaded binary tree holds two extra pieces of information known as the left child, left thread, and right thread. The value of these two fields indicates whether the left or right child field of a node contains a link to a child node or a thread to its inner predecessor and or successor. To traverse a thread binary tree in inner sequence, you need to determine the inner successor of a node at each step. Write an algorithm to locate the inner successor of a node in a threaded binary tree. Edala Tara algorithm. Let us find the inner successor of node 65. Identify the node for which you want to locate the inner successor and make mark it as current node. Current node ala. If the right child of the current node is a thread, the current node point to its right child. Repeat step 5 until left child of current node becomes a thread. Make current node point to its left child. Right, पुणी से check करिबो. Make current node as successor, right? अला तापर तमरो से identify कला, बुझला? Write an algorithm traverse a thread binary tree in a inner sequence. It was more thread. If the left child of the header node is a thread pointing to itself, display tree is empty, exit. So more header node nijoku hi pointing karibo, tale seta tree empty more achi. Make the left child of the header node as a current node. Repeat step 4 until the left child of the current node becomes a thread. Make current point to the current node point to its left child. Display again se repeat karibo se. Jeje maro left side jeje no sorry. Then make repeat step 4 until the left child phone repeat kala to etc display kare display the information held by the current node 30 and repeat step 7 and 8 until right child of the current node points to the header node display information again से एमती चेक करी सब तक इन्फॉर्मेशन से शो कर insert operation refers to the process of inserting a new node to at its appropriate position. To implement an insert operation in a thread binary tree, you first need to locate the position of the new node to be inserted. For this, you first need to implement a search operation. Write an algorithm to locate the position of a node to be inserted in a threaded binary tree. Insert 35 प्रथमे सर्च करिवो से एग्जैक्ट को पोजीशन जे तमरो से इंसर्ट हबो देन तमे इंसर्ट करिवो. If the left child of the header node is a threaded point to itself, make the left child of the header as current node, make head as parent, repeat step A, B, C, D and E until current node becomes null. तो मोर एटा रिपीट करिवो हला. Make current node as null and go to step 4. Then parent node located. Once you locate the parent node, parent of the new node to be inserted, you need to consider the following 3 cases. That is, tree is empty. If parent is the header node, new node is to be inserted as the left child of its parent. New node is to be inserted as the right child of its parent, right? Tree जब empty थिबो ताले header node रे entry हबो. जदि मोर left side entry करे अछि या फिर right side रे entry करे. एटा होछ मोर header node जोटा कि pointing itself करिवो. Allocate the memory of the new node, assign the data field of the new node, then set the value of the left and right thread field at the new node as 0. Set the value of the left thread field of the head and node as 1. Make the left child of the field of header node as a link pointing to the new node. Make the left child of the new node thread pointing to the header node. Then make the right child of the new node as a thread pointing to the header node. Insertion complete. Write an algorithm to insert a node in a non-empty threaded binary tree. $75. 75 taku insert karibo. Look at the parent of the new node and mark it as parent. Allocate the memory of the new node. Set the value of the left and right thread field of the new node as 0. If the value of the new node is less than the data parent, right? Parent to the less than achi, then more A, B, C, D, E more exit. Exit. Insertion complete. Hala. Now tallta hochi more jo 5th number eta hochi right side more entry. Right side.
सर जेतले एटा कोडिंग रे प्रोग्राम रे लिखिबा तो लाइक इफ एल्स पके के लिखिबा माने
हां इफ एल्स एटा होचे राइट पे नंबर पॉइंटर राइट पे हो सल्ला तमरो केबे कोन एग्जाम करी मते कहिबो
यस सर
ओके थैंक यू
सर